Zerodha. In this video, I'll show you how to open an account completely online in just a few minutes. You can invest or trade in multiple asset classes like equities, derivatives, mutual funds, IPOs, currencies, and much more with your Zerodha account. If you're new to Zerodha, the best place to get started is on our website where you can find all the information about our products and services. If you're new to the markets, don't forget to check out Varsity Open Stock Market Financial Education. We'll give you a rundown of all our products at the end of this video. Now, before you get started with the account opening process on the sign up page, you need a list of documents, which is your PAN card, your bank details, your signature proof, which is basically a signed paper. You just put your signature on a paper, and then your Aadhaar number should be linked to your mobile, and you need to have your income proof. It's optional for trading in F&O. Now let's get started with the actual process. So you go to zerodha.com and you click on sign up now. Now that takes you to this page where you enter your mobile number and you confirm your OTP once you receive it on your mobile. Now start entering your details, your name and your email ID. Enter your PAN and your date of birth. And please make sure that it's accurate and hit continue. And then you can pay for account opening using your card or UPI. I think UPI is much easier. Just key in your UPI ID and hit next. Now, once you're here, you'll have to continue to DigiLocker. On DigiLocker, you'll have to enter your Aadhaar number to continue with DigiLocker. Enter it and click next. You'll get a temporary OTP and you have to enter it and then allow Zerodha to access your Aadhaar data. And then it shows you a success message and the screen closes. Now you're on the profile page. You start entering your information like your father's name, your mother's name, last name, and your income range and your trading experience, your occupation, and then are you a politically exposed person or not. And then you have to link your bank account. Now we have a process where we basically check for the bank details in the background. So what happens here, if the name on your bank account checks with the name available on the IT database, we just go ahead with your account opening. You don't have to submit bank proof. But if the name check doesn't happen, you will have to submit a bank proof. Just remember that. And then you link using IFSC or you can link using your UPI. And then you have to get down to the IPV page. On the IPV page, you will have to allow the browser to access the camera. And then of course you can record your video and confirm that you are the person. And then we go to the uploads page where you upload all the necessary documents which we've asked you to keep handy. The signature, the copy of PAN, your income proof if you wish to trade in futures and options. And then you do the e-sign for your equity. Very easy, very quick, and you confirm these things, proceed to e-sign. Just go to the bottom of the page, just look for it, look for all your information, and then just say sign now. You enter your Aadhaar number or your VID and then enter your OTP and verify the OTP. Once that's done, your e-sign is complete, which means that you've signed the documents and your account is ready to be opened. After that, you get this message where they say your application is complete. After verification, you will receive your login credentials on your email, and you have an entire page full of information on what to do next. Your all the apps are described, and Kite, Coin, Console. These are our three main apps on which you will interact with us regularly. And we have the support portal on support.zerodha.com where you can read pretty much everything that you need to know about our products and services and ask questions if you're not finding the right answers for your questions.